I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to receive money on Moan Finance, follow these straightforward steps to get started. Step 1. Create a Moan Finance account. If you haven't already, download the Moan Finance app or visit their website to create an account. You'll need to provide some personal information and verify your identity. Step 2. Link your bank account. Once your account is set up, link your bank account to Moan Finance. This is essential for transferring money in and out. Go to the Settings menu and select Bank Accounts to add your bank details. Step 3. Navigate to the Transfer section. In the app, find the Transfer section. This is where you can initiate the process to receive funds. Look for a button that says Add Funds or Transfer Money. Step 4. Choose the amount and source. Select the amount you want to receive and choose your linked bank account as the source. Make sure to double check the amount. A common mistake is entering the wrong figure. Step 5. Confirm the transfer. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the airshore.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. If you follow these steps, you should have no trouble receiving money on Moan Finance. Happy investing!